You ignored your undergrowth for way too long, and now your comb is fighting for its life. I kept telling myself, next week I'll do it every single time. Meanwhile, my roots were forming their own government under the relaxed part. Just take a close look at my hair, half relaxed, half natural. Confused? Yes. Painful to comb? Extremely. And every hair wash day became a full body workout. My arms were hurting, my scalp was stressed, even my mirror was tired of seeing me struggle. So I finally said enough is enough. Today, we are going to fix this situation. I'm not even going to lie. The moment my relaxer touched my roots, I started praying for my scalp because if you know, you know. And every time you go to the salon, hairdressers always say, is it hurting? Is it burning? While your ancestors are already leaving your body. It became a gym training, upper body workout, or is it head workout, spiritual endurance test, hand workout. My arms will be shaking like I'm doing weightlifting for Olympics. And let's not even talk about the tangling. That is where I saw my life flash before my eyes. Because why am I crying over hair that I paid money to maintain? And the mirror stopped supporting me emotionally. It just stands there like, yes, continue suffering, I will watch. Even my edges were confused. They were just there like, we don't know who we belong to anymore. That was why I told myself, I will retouch my hair by myself today. And when I say I gathered courage, I mean I accepted my fate. At the end of the day, the worst that could happen is that my hair will cut or my hair will not retouch well. But then comes the washing stage. And this is where healing starts. The water touches your scalp and suddenly peace enters your life. Like rent-free peace. All the stress, the tangles, the frustrations, they just start washing away. The water hits different. The scalp feels lighter, like you've been carrying heavy load on your head. The stress disappears instantly. So this is what they call soft life. For the first time in months, my comb is no longer attacking me. That hair that was once fighting you now starts flowing like it has manners, like it has attended etiquette school, and every part of the brush just goes smoothly. No resistance, no drama, no stress. Just silky obedience. And I'm just smiling like I didn't suffer like 1 hour ago. And then the final moment, mirror check. This is where confidence returns instantly. You start adjusting your hair like you're now a brand ambassador for good hair days. Edges laid, length flowing, mood improved. That is why I say fresh retouch is not just hair. It is emotional healing, personality upgrade, soft life unlocked. If you needed a sign to stop struggling and book your appointment, this is it. Comment retouch if your hair needs this.